Now we have more breaking updates coming in. Breaking news on the incident. Times Now has accessed exclusive details which strengthen the sabotage claim. Sources say that an explosive and a petrol bomb have been found on the rail track. Remember, we also showed you the ground report. The officials are also conducting an investigation on the same, but there are details that have come in that strengthen the claim that this could be an act of sabotage. Sources saying that an explosive as well as a petrol bomb have also been found on the rail tracks. Let's go back to my colleague Pragya, who's joining us. Pragya, you were telling us some of these details. Like we mentioned, the Union Minister Giriraj Singh hinted at a conspiracy, and the investigation, the preliminary investigation at the spot also seems to be turning towards that way.
Well, this certainly seems like a conspiracy, and it is a sabotage that we are looking at. In fact, we had spoken to many officials earlier also. They said that, in fact, in earlier incident, it is not normal to find such things on the tracks. And this is a particular conspiracy angle that the government is also looking at and investigating also. There are local police stations who had lodged the FIRs in such cases, but there is also investigation that is pointing to a larger national conspiracy against the railways and against the people of country inadvertently, in this case at least. We have been learned from our sources that it is not just the LPG cylinder. Had LPG cylinder not been able to cause that much of damage to the train, there were explosive, there was petrol bomb to magnify the impact of the explosion. It was because of the awareness of the driver that he hit the brake at the right time and avoided this particular incident. And had that not been done, you could well imagine the loss of lives and how big this incident could be. So it is also a conspiracy to the railways, and not just to the railways, conspiracy against the nation. Now this is the investigation they are looking at, and also the region is very important. But we have been told by the officials.
So the question remains, who wanted the train to be derailed? Who has hatched the conspiracy? Only a detailed investigation will show that. Pragya, I request you to stay with us. Let's also speak about the politics around it, because while the Union Minister said that it could be a conspiracy, the Congress party has instead slammed the authorities. Listen in.
Every 15 days you plant a story, you leak a story that there's something has been found on the tracks. What are you doing towards it? During elections, you come and take credit that law and order is under control. No untoward incident has been allowed to take place. Now, what are you doing?